Copper, the silky chicken is trying hard to lay an egg. Wow, she's so round, she looks like a balloon about to pop. Oh, you've got an egg.
Phew, what a relief!
Good job, Copper. I wonder where the other chickens are. There they are in the birdhouse. Gold came out. Buff came out. Silver came out. It's a snack time. Here, have some.
Yum, tasty, much, much.
Chickens running after me, replay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.